Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a Motorola phone again. So our channel is well known for doing unboxings and reviews of Motorola phones. So today we have the Motorola G52, not exactly a very new model. I think it has been around 6 to 7 months already in the market, but yeah, this is one of the best models that you can buy from Motorola right now, and it's a budget model. So yeah, it cost me around 12,000, like 13,000, somewhat like that after discount. So let me show you around the box and then we'll go for the unboxing. So Motorola branding on the side, and yeah, charcoal gray. Okay, of course it's made in this is made in India. Yeah, surprise. And the MRP of this is listed as 1999, as you can see it here. So 20,000 MRP, but on discounts you can buy it for around 13,000 or as low as sometimes around 11,000. All right, so yeah, some barcoding here, and at the back, so 16.64 centimeter full HD OLED display. So this is OLED, and Snapdragon 680. So yeah, not very bad, not top of the line but not bad either. So it is one of the common processors for the mid-range devices right now. So 30-watt power, of course. Yeah, phone these days don't provide chargers anymore, so thank you Motorola for still providing the chargers in the box. So even like from the lowest to their highest, they still provide the turbocharger in their box. So 30-watt charging, not bad, not the highest, not the lowest, again mid-range. 5000 mAh, so that is one of the industry leading part. So 5000 mAh is quite a lot, should last you around 2 days on a single charge. Okay, right, let's go ahead and smooths right off. So yeah, no seals right now because I ordered this from Flipkart, and you know these days the delivery guys, they just open everything up and give it to you. So yeah, this is already, disclaimer, this is already unboxed. I've seen what's in there, but just for your convenience I'm doing the unboxing again. So right out of the box again, it comes pre-packed in a case, a silicone case, right, and on top of that, what Motorola is known for, a sticker, something like that. Okay, let's keep this aside and see what else is in the box. So yeah, as I was talking about the charger, nice Motorola branding, and yeah, sadly it's type A to type C. These days the high-end phones, they give you like C to C, with which you can charge your laptops also. But yeah, 33-watt branding here, you can't complain, right, at this price. And you have a type A to type C data cable here, quite long, good quality. Well, I thought they totally did away with the manual to save some paper, but it's hidden away here. So we have the pin, SIM ejector tool, we have the something warranty or manual, something like that, anyways, and meet your Moto Gen introductory card. Okay, so let me take this out, and so a nice quality case with frosted design for better grip. And let's see, so we have the cameras here. So 50 megapixel primary camera, and we'll do see all of this performance of this in the full review, which will be coming really soon. So on the right side we have the volume up down key, and there's the power button which doubles up as your fingerprint scanner. So this here, no fingerprint scanner at the back, Motorola branding here, but it's just okay, this is not glass, this is plastic, something like fiber, and it has a nice texture to it, if you can see. I'm not sure if it's, yeah, nice, it's frosted and there are like little dots in it. So really nice, Motorola branding at the bottom. And coming to the bottom, we have the speaker grill here, that's USB-C here, secondary mic, primary mic is here, and yes, another important thing, the AUX cable, 3.5 mm audio jack, headphone jack. Yeah, that is also a rarity these days. And on the left side we have the SIM tool here, and plastic, not made of metal, the tray. And we have the secondary noise cancellation mic here, and speaker. So this has stereo sound, stereo audio, Dolby stereo, and so the sound comes out from the bottom and from the top. And of course we already saw the flash and the cameras. Okay, let me see, really nice. And we have the front camera here, I think it's 32 megapixel or something like that, and really big wide speakers here, So really nice. So also I told you like this is not glass, this is plastic. Also just clarification, this is not metal. It might look like it's made of steel, but this is also plastic made to look like metal. I think it has a metallic coating on top. So not glass, plastic, not steel or aluminum, but plastic. So I guess it keeps the weight down and also helps to keep the price lower. Yeah, that was the unboxing. So I will set this up and do the full review really soon. Stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and answer each and every one of you. And we'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.